Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the simplest causes so you can eliminate them fast. First, raise the volume with buttons and the on-screen slider. Make sure mute and do not disturb are off. Next, disconnect any Bluetooth devices and unplug headphones, then verify the speaker output is selected. Once done, perform a quick restart to clear temporary audio service faults. This often restores the sound drivers and audio routing without deeper troubleshooting. Now you dive into software causes because apps and drivers commonly break sound. Open settings to confirm the output device, volume balance, and per app volume levels. Adjust any muted app. Then update the operating system and audio drivers to the latest build, and clear cache for media apps and the system UI to remove corrupt temporary files. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or create a new user profile to see if a third-party app is intercepting audio. Finish with advanced checks to isolate hardware failure. Run a built-in hardware diagnostic or play audio while recording to detect speaker output and microphone feedback. This verifies signal path. If diagnostics show software corruption, back up your data and perform a factory reset or reinstall official firmware using the manufacturer's recovery tool. If you still hear nothing, attach an external speaker via aux or Bluetooth to confirm whether the internal speaker is faulty. This single test tells you if a physical repair is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.